Hello, All Stars. Today is Monday, April 25th. Let's find out what's on our calendar for the day. Wow, we have a lot going on. Been talking about symmetry this entire month, and we'll see what was on Saturday's card. Oh, we have our special shape right here. Let's see if we can draw lines of symmetry. Now remember, we need to see the same exact thing on each side. So if we folded this, will we see the same thing on each side? It looks like we would with this shape. So we do have a line of symmetry here with this. Let's see if we can go into our next shape. Click and find out what it is. Ooh. We have a rectangle, another quadrilateral. If we try to draw a line here, would we have the same thing on both sides? Let's see. If we folded it in half, we would have a higher point here that would not be on this side, and a lower point here that would not be on this side. So in this case, we do not have lines of symmetry. Let's look at today's card and find out. Whoa, we have the letter O. The letter O. I'm going to draw a line. Will we have a line of symmetry? Yes. Yes, we would. Will we have a line of symmetry here? Yes, we would. If we drew a line of symmetry here, we would have it. And even if we drew one here, we would. So there are many lines of symmetry with the letter O. As we continue to talk more, we are now going to go into our days in school. So let's see how many days we have been in school now. 144 days. Incredible. $144 days. We'll change our information here. And I'd like you to think of one math fact that you could prepare that would equal 144. There's a number word 144. It's 100 plus 40 plus 4. We have 50 plus 50 plus 40 plus 4. That all equal 144. And here, using coins, we have $1.44. Different ways to make 144. We are now going to start new popsicle arrangements. We're going to put all of these away. They were very helpful for the past 2 weeks since we've collected a lot of popsicles over the past 2 weeks. We are now going to start a new collection for this week. I wonder how many popsicle sticks we'll collect this week. It's going to be pretty awesome. Let's see what we can do. We just want to make sure all of these go back. And then we will begin. All right, here we go. Oh, we have 4 now for our collection, beginning a brand new week. So we'll put the 4 down. And see how many we'll be able to collect tomorrow. Finally, All-Stars, what I want to remind you of is this. I really, really, really do want you to practice using this 120 grid, which is Agro Hundreds chart, to help you do some adding and subtracting on the chart. I'd like you to remember when you go up, you are really subtracting 10 on this chart. Let me write that so you can see that a little clearer. You are really subtracting 10 on this chart. And when you go down, you are really adding 10. So I'm going to actually see if you can focus on this. I'm going to circle. Well, actually, I'll put a couple of math facts over here for you. I want you to practice these. 32 plus 10, 42 minus 10. And I want to see what you can do with these facts. Let me just move these over so you can see them. And I'd like you to work on these for the remainder of our number corner time. I know you can do it. Off you go.